How to put images in Notion. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Drive or Google Play Store and make sure that you have an updated version of the Notion application on your device. So let's check that. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Notion. Also make sure that you have logged into your account. Now what you need to do is just tap on this creation button or writing button at the top bottom right corner of the screen and just write anything that you want. For example, here I'm writing plants. Now here, if I want to add a picture or you just want to put images, what you need to do is just tap on it. Then you can see the option of image over here at the bottom toolbar, so just tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to load your images from your gallery as well. So just select your images over here, tap on add, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.